Hello friends, have you ever noticed that your lips are gradually become darker? Even after using lipstick or lip balm, your lips no longer look as pink as they used to. In today's video, we will talk about a cosmetic product that is used for lip care and is mainly used to help lighten darkened lips and improve their natural color. The product is called Derma Co 1% Kojic Acid Lip Balm, which is manufactured by the well-known Indian company, the Derma Co. So if you want to know more about this topic, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before we continue, if you are new to Family Pharma BD YouTube channel, please subscribe and stay connected with us. One important thing to remember, the product shown in this video is not a medicine or drug. It is a cosmetic product used for lip care only. Why do lips turn dark? Before discussing the product, let's first understand the common causes of dark lips. Excessive exposure to sunlight, not moisturizing the lips regularly, smoking or cigarette use, licking the lips frequently, chemical reaction from certain cosmetic products, vitamin deficiency or dehydration. Due to these reasons, pigmentation or dark patches can develop on the lips. Now let's learn about Derma Co 1% Kojic Acid Lip Balm. It is a lip protective cosmetics product specially designed to care for dark lips. Key ingredients include in this products 1% kojic acid helps lighten dark areas, reduce pigmentation and restore an even tone, making the lips appear slightly pinker. Moisturizing agents help retain moisture, keeping the lips soft, healthy and hydrated. SPF helps protect the lips from harmful sun rays. How does this lip balm work? Helps prevent the formation of new pigmentation, allowing the lips to maintain a lighter tone. Helps reduce excess melanin buildup on the lips, which decreases dark discoloration. With regularly use, lips may gradually appear brighter. Repairs dry and cracked lips. However, please remember 1% kojic acid lip balm is not a magic solution. To achieve visible results, it requires timed and regular use. How to use 1% kojic acid lip balm? Apply 2 or 3 times a day. Always apply before going outdoors. Apply gently on clean lips. Can also be used under lipstick. Improvement is usually noticeable within 3 to 6 weeks. Though result may vary from person to person. Who can use this lip balm? People with mild dark lip pigmentation, those with dry or uneven lip tone, individuals whose lips have darkened due to smoking. They may use 1% kojic acid lip balm. Precautions before use these cosmetics. Be cautious if you have severe lip allergies, open wounds or infections on the lips. If you feel burning, irritation or discomfort, stop using the lip balm immediately. This lip balm is not for children. This lip balm is not a medical treatment. An important disclaimer, please remember this is a cosmetic lip care product. It is not a prescription medicine. For severe pigmentation or any medical condition, consult a dermatologist. This video is made for educational purposes only. Friends, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and for more healthy and awareness videos, subscribe to the Family Pharma BD channel. Thank you everyone.